Hey guys, welcome back to this tutorial. Today I'm here with a big tip that how you can access a Gmail account without phone number unlimitedly. This is a big tech tip and make sure that you really leave a like button on our video, okay? So, first of all, go to your browser and search for Google Cloud Skills Boost. It's on the first link and click on it. And make sure that you turn the platform on to a desktop site interface. So when you arrive this page, click on sign in and then sign in with Google. After logging into this page, tap on explore on the top, then click on format and tap on lab. When you see this page, scroll down and tap on a tour of Google Cloud Sustainability. As you can see, in my case, I have early tap on start lab. So you have to start lab, you have to pick or you have to touch start lab. In my case, I started a lab. So Google gives you a username or a password to access an unlimited Gmail account. So this is how it works. First, copy the username and go to your YouTube application. Then tap on profile account and tap on switch account. Then add account. It's for privacy reason. Then now here, please paste please paste the username that you get from Google Cloud Skill Boost. Now, as you can see, it requested a password to enter, so we are entering a password. Boom, finally, here's our Gmail account. If you really found this video helpful, please give thumbs up, and for more videos like this, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.